Hello, in this video you're gonna see how to create stock for tubes using the 2D geometry feature and extruding it. Click 2D geometry. Create a point in the middle of the first tube. Then select the create circle by center point and click the point and then the inside diameter. Do the same, only selecting the outside diameter. Do this 3 steps for each tube. Next, we need to copy this geometry to the workpiece folder. Select 2D geometry in the file list and then copy global coordinate system down below and paste it into the workpiece folder. Now, we want to create a folder for each tube's geometry. Once done, we will copy and paste the geometry for each tube in the appropriate folder. Finally, you go to Extrude under Workpiece in the Machining tab. Once clicked, you set the top and bottom levels. In this case, top level is 0 due to the work offset being on top of the stock. Bottom level is the depth. Add it for each tube. That's all. Thanks for watching.